Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Ford Mustang GT with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You will need several large sheets of corrugated cardboard, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable hot glue gun or strong craft adhesive. Also, print a scaled template of your desired Mustang GT model. This template will guide your cuts and ensure your replica looks authentic. Remember to work on a protective surface and have good ventilation. Now, let's begin constructing the main frame of your Mustang GT. Carefully cut out the chassis, floor, and side panels following your printed template. Use a strong adhesive, like hot glue, to firmly attach these pieces together, forming the basic structure. For added durability, reinforce all major connection points with additional strips of cardboard. Aim for a sturdy and level foundation, approximately 24 inches long and 10 inches wide, to support the entire model. With the main frame complete, it is time to add the iconic details that make it a Mustang GT. Carefully cut and shape the hood, roof, and trunk pieces, attaching them securely to the chassis. Next, create the recognizable front grille and headlight housings, ensuring they are proportionate. Don't forget to form the wheel wells, allowing space for 4 cardboard wheels, each about 3 inches in diameter. Adding small details like side mirrors and door lines will significantly elevate its appearance. Finally, let's bring your cardboard Mustang GT to life with finishing touches and personalization. Apply a smooth base coat of paint, perhaps a classic red or a sleek black, ensuring even coverage. Then, add finer details such as racing stripes, window outlines, and even small cardboard logos. For extra sturdiness, you might reinforce the interior with a few additional cardboard braces. This is your chance to make it truly unique, reflecting your personal style and creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.